So this question is island perimeter. So you give me the metric, and then you want to find the perimeter for the islands. So, uh, I'm gonna say I'm gonna convert this into the metric, just in case you lost 100. Alright, so this should be the entire, it should be the same. So what is a perimeter is actually outside boundary, right? But each circle represent what? Each circle has length of flow, right? The perimeter has length of flow. But if they have a neighbor, they don't need. So imagine this one. So if they have a neighbor, right? They don't need a circle. They don't need a itself parameter. It actually depending on the neighbor, right? So the idea is actually you traverse the entire grid, right? You're gonna add 4 if the value is equal to 1, right? Now you're going to check your neighbor. How do you check your neighbor? Since I'm traversing from the top left to bottom right, so it will be actually pretty straightforward to check your the left and top, right? When you check your left and top, you will actually, so imagine you traverse here and you add 4, so now it's 4. It's starting from here on the next iteration, so you add another 4. So once you get to here, right, you want to check your left and check your top. If your left and top is equal to 1, first thing first, you need to add 4, right? Because your current cell is 1, right? But if you actually know, oh, they are what? They are my neighbor and they are equal to 1. So if the left is actually equal to 1, minus 2. If the top is equal to 1, I'm minus 2. So now I actually minus 4, right? And if this is agreed, this is correct. Look at this. If I don't have anything over here, right? Nothing. Just look at this diagram. Right here. So what is a parameter? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is what? So I have 8, which is what? 4 plus 4 plus 4 minus 2 minus 2. So it should be the correct answer, right? So this is the idea, right? You want to check your left and top when you iterate. Alright, so it shouldn't be a problem over here. So I'm gonna say int resort to keep on track my perimeter. So I'm traversing from all the way from top left, traversing again. Alright, so anything if this is equal to 1, sorry, if the grid I is equal to 1, right, I would say result plus equal to 4. Alright, so I'm going to check my left and top. So it has to be what? So if I want to check my left, I has to be greater than 0, right? So if I greater than 0, right, then I'm going to say grid I minus 1 j is equal to 1. I'm going to say minus 4. Alright, another one is going to be j greater than 0, right? You want to check the top, right? You are not going to say, oh, this is 1 and I want to check my top. This is out of bound, right? So that's something you want to make sure the logic is correct. Oh, this is minus 2. What I'm doing? Minus 2. So once you finish the traversal, right, then this will be the entire solution. Okay, cool. So time and space is constant times all of n times m, and then yeah, based on this is a logic. It doesn't use any time. So if you have any question, leave a comment. I'll see you next time. Bye.